Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Intersection. In this video, this short video, I'll show you how to update your Visual Studio and also create ASP.NET web application. And just a reminder, if you're installing Visual Studio right now, make sure that you include the ASP.NET and web development. If you installed Visual Studio and you did not add this, you'll see in this video how to add the ASP.NET and web development. So let's start. I'm going to assume that you have installed Visual Studio maybe a long time ago. If you have done that, you need to go to the search for the Visual Studio installer and open the installer and make sure that you don't have any updates that needed for the Visual Studio, because if you do need updates, click on the updates and update them. And once you're done with updating, before you open Visual Studio, make sure that you restart your computer. And this process will take some time. And so make sure that you don't need your laptop or desktop for anything. Maybe like allocate maybe 45 minutes or so to do all of this process. So once you have done that, open Visual Studio and click on Create New Project. In the Create New Project dialog box, type in ASP.NET Web Application. If you don't see this here, I'll show you how to include it. So, and make sure the language is C#, and then click Next. And then I'm going to give my solution a different name than my project, Demo 1. So my solution name, I started naming the solution name first, so I don't get the same. And then I'm going to place this in my D drive. And click Create. And make sure you select Empty. And then Web Form. And then click Create. All right, right click on the project name, which is Demo 1, not the solution name, not the project name. Add a new item. And your first new item that you will add is a web form. I always like to rename it index.aspx. So that's the extension for ASP.NET Web Application.aspx, and then I click Add. And you come to the source dialog box, and you can see here's a form already created because it's server-side technology, the ASP.NET server-side technology using C#, the language C#, and you're done, and you can start your work. And in the future videos, I'll show you how to start your work, how to create a web form, a complete web form using C#. Now, but we want to make sure that you can do this. If you cannot do that, then I have done it in the back, so that's why I'm not going to do the whole thing because it takes a long time. I want this video to be very short. So click on Tools. If you could not find the web form when you do this, you could not add a web form. Could not add a web form like what I did. So what you need to do is you click in Tools and then Get Tools and Feature, and then make sure you include the ASP.NET Web Application. I have included, but for the power of videos, I stopped and restart and stopped, so I can show you this process that I did early. Meant this process, all right? But now, if you cannot do that, then click on Tools, Get Tools and Features, and you make sure that you're including the ASP.NET Web Application. Once you do this, you click Modify. This modification takes, it will ask you, do you want to save this solution that you created. Of course, if you want to save it, you say yes. If not, just decline that. And then once you're done, it will ask you to re-load the same solution. And if you say yes, it'll take you back here. But anyway, this is how you, if you have installed Visual Studio and did not include the ASP.NET web application. If you are watching this video now and you're installing Visual Studio for the first time, make sure that you add the ASP.NET web development. Check that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to get all the updates. Have a beautiful day now. Bye bye.